Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Remini app for free on an iPhone. Let's get started. Now unlock your iPhone and open the App Store. Search for Remini app and install it. Once the app installed, open the Remini app on your phone. You can sign in using Google email or Apple ID. When the app opens, you may see a Pro or subscription page. To use Remini for free, simply tap the close or skip options at the top left of your screen. Tap on X button. Now you are using the free version. On the home screen, tap Enhance or select Photos. Allow Remini to access your photos. Tap on any photo you want. Remini will process the photo, but you may need to watch a short ad to enhance it. After the ad, your photo will be enhanced for free. Once processing is complete, tap Save. The photo will be saved to your iPhone gallery. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.